Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am sharing with you my winter capsule wardrobe. For those of you who want to jump straight into the lookbook, I will write the minutes over here. But before I start with lookbook, I want to share a few reasons why I selected these 13 pieces to be part of my winter capsule wardrobe. First, I'm going to start with this chunky light brown oversized sweater with this really gorgeous turtleneck, and this is pretty like chunkier turtleneck design as well. I love this sweater because first of all it is oversized, I can layer underneath it, but it also makes me feel chic looking in a way simply because of this really gorgeous turtleneck. And a tone like this can easily be styled with all of the pieces that I added in my capsule wardrobe, with black, with denim jeans. I believe a sweater like this is a staple in pretty much anyone's wardrobe simply because these pieces are so universal and you can easily style them without any issues. But the second sweater that I selected is this black sweater. This is also a little bit oversized sweater with a turtleneck, not as chunky turtleneck as on this brown one, but nevertheless it still has a turtleneck, and that is what I adore. I simply adore high neckline in winter just to keep me warm, to be honest. And it is also oversized, which allows me to layer underneath it, and again, same can be said for this black turtleneck sweater. I believe these are the foundation of our wardrobe. They can easily be styled with anything, but they also appear elegant. Of course, it comes down how you style them, if you dress them down or up, but they are just such a beautiful and staple pieces to have, and they're so useful because they're again so easy to style with pretty much anything. Then over here I have this white sweater, but in comparison with previous two, this is crop sweater. Nevertheless, I simply adore it because it adds something so chic and elegant to the look. It also has a higher neckline, which is what I adore. This is a really beautiful neckline. I simply adore a neckline on this sweater. I adore this sweater because it looks equally flawless if I'm wearing it as something more casual, but also it looks amazing even if I want to wear it for an elevated look with a midi skirt, for example, and with the heeled boots. So a sweater like this is just absolutely amazing to have, and the reason why I did these three sweaters is simply because they're actually the foundation of my winter wardrobe. They're the pieces that I always go after if I need to get dressed right now. Like I have 2 minutes to get dressed, then for those situations these are the pieces that I always go after. But now when it comes to bottoms, I have these black trousers. These are my very old trousers from Zara and I simply adore them. They're having that straight leg design. They're also having a medium rise, not high rise, medium rise is also okay. I adore these trousers simply because they have a lining inside them which adds a warmth to these trousers, but they're also oversized a little bit, so again I can layer, and that is what is most important when it comes to me and my winter capsule wardrobe. All of the pieces that I have selected today are the pieces where you can have layers, which is a bonus since we're talking about winter. And I absolutely adore to wear these trousers with pretty much anything, with sneakers, with my boots. I love to wear these trousers tucked inside my flat boots, but also with kitten heel boots for a little bit more elevated version. So yeah, these trousers are just such a universal piece. You can dress them down, dress them up, you can style them in so many different ways, and I adore them. Next piece would be these high-waisted wide leg trousers from Zara that come in black tone. I simply adore black in winter. I already mentioned it previously. Black is so easy for me to style in winter, so for that reason I gravitate after black pieces, and these trousers are again just amazing. They're wide leg design, so underneath them I can wear anything thick, like some thick ties if I want, or some thick leggings, and I'm still going to feel chic because of this elegant and effortless wide leg design. But what I also adore to wear these trousers with are the flat boots, and I simply adore to tuck inside these trousers in my boots. I know that maybe not be everyone's style preference, but for me that is just such a cool looking look. Look like that just appears contemporary, modern, and I just adore it. I adore to wear these trousers for casual everyday looks, but I also love to elevate these trousers with a kitten heels that you're going to see shortly. Then next pair of bottoms that I have over here are these jeans. These are light blue high-waisted wide leg design jeans. Again, this is one of those pieces that I always wear when in rush. I just wear these trousers, my boots, or my sneakers, whatever I decide to go after, any of these sweaters with a coat, and I'm ready. So that is why I love these jeans. Then I also had to add this satin midi skirt. I absolutely adore this piece. Just recently I made a video of all of the ways how we can wear a satin midi skirt in winter, and I realized the potential of this skirt. It can be styled in so many various ways, with sneakers, with flat boots, with kitten heel boots. A skirt like this can be dressed down, dressed up. It all comes down what you style it with, but I simply adore it, and I wanted to add at least one piece in each category. So like this cropped sweater is a little bit more elevated, same goes for this skirt. I just wanted to add something tiny little bit more elevated that can serve for a little bit more evening looks if you like it, but it can still be worn equally as good for everyday go-to look with a pair of flat boots and the coat over it. I just adore it. So for that reason I had to add this satin skirt also. And now I have outwear, and first I have this oversized black blazer. This is actually a blazer. I thought my rail is gonna drop or something. So this is actually a blazer that I took from my boyfriend's wardrobe. I simply adore to wear it because it is oversized blazer. I do have a structured black blazer, but with this oversized blazer I can wear pretty much all of my chunkier knits. So that is why I simply had to add it in my capsule wardrobe as well. And also it is black, which makes it even easier honestly to style for every day. And at least it is for me. You don't have to go after this many black pieces if that is not your style preference, if that is not your tone of your liking, then go after the tones that you love. But for me, black is just my go-to. And I also have this coat. This is coat from H&M. It is really heavy coat. I love it because it is one of those smarter coats. It has beautiful lapel collars, it has tie belt, and I love the length of it. It is very like thick coat. It keeps me warm. So I love to wear it in winter season. And what I love about this coat is that it can easily elevate and finish any basic look. So even though I'm wearing something basic, let's say my sneakers, these leather pants, if I just pop over this coat, I tie a belt, entire look is just going to instantly feel much more elevated and much more smarter. So for that reason I added this black coat. And now moving on to the boots, I have these Zara flat boots. Even though they're flat, they have this chunky heel which adds a slight dose of elevation even for everyday. That is something that I adore. I love this croc design, and it just adds a texture to something basic I'm wearing. So that is why I absolutely adore this croc design. And it is also important to say they're very heavy. It is also important to say that the cuffs are very wide, so I can tuck inside these boots my trousers if I want, and that is something that I absolutely adore to do, or leather pants. So I absolutely adore these boots simply because of that reason. Like I can literally tuck inside anything. Then I have these black suede boots. I absolutely adore these boots simply because of this kitten heel. As I mentioned, I wanted to add in my capsule wardrobe at least one piece in each category that is a little bit on that elevated side, and these will be the boots that I selected for that reason, simply because of this kitten heel that just adds a slight dose of elegance to the basic look. Boots with a kitten heel like this can easily be worn for every day, simply because it's a kitten heel after all. It's not a high heel, so they're pretty wearable for every day as well. And over here I have my Adidas sneakers. I had to include them simply because they are truly my winter go-to. I love to wear them for every day, and I love how they still feel chic no matter what I wear them with. Even if I pair them with a midi skirt, I still feel chic in a way, and elegant, but also sporty elegant as well. So that is why I simply had to include them, because I love to wear them on everyday basis. And finally, I'm finishing my winter capsule with this YSL black purse. The reason why I included this purse is simply because I truly love to wear it. It is a little bit smaller bag, but nevertheless I can still have my phone, my lipstick, keys, whatever I need, it can still fit inside. And the reason why I love this purse, of course, it is black, so yeah, it is self-explanatory why I did it, but also because I can style it in various ways. I can wear it as clutch, like this, or I can also fold the chain. I can wear it over one shoulder, or I can wear it as crossbody bag. So there are various ways how I can style this bag, which adds always something chic to the most basic look over here. And yeah, these will be all of the 13 pieces that I selected in my capsule wardrobe. I just want to point out that your winter capsule wardrobe doesn't have to have a certain amount of pieces. You can include as many pieces as you like. Like I have now 13 pieces, but you can add 20, 30, whichever number suits you, you can add to your capsule wardrobe. All of these pieces are actual foundation of my winter capsule wardrobe. They're the pieces that make me feel warm, but yet also chic and cozy, and that is something that I adore. But what is also most important is that all of these pieces are interchangeable. So I managed to create like over, I believe, 40 style combinations. I don't even know, I will have to see once I edit it, but there's just so many ways how I can style and mix and match all of these pieces that I included. So yeah, that would be it. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope you enjoyed the lookbook part of this video. Thanks all for watching, and I see you all in the next one. Bye!